Hiccup and the Crow, A Journey to the Whispers of Truth. A special bedtime story for Hiccup. Once upon a time, in a land not too far away, there lived a little boy named Hiccup. Hiccup was a kind-hearted and curious boy, always seeking new adventures. One sunny afternoon, as he was exploring the outskirts of his village, Hiccup heard a peculiar sound. It was a soft and gentle whisper, as if the wind itself was trying to tell him something. Intrigued, Hiccup followed the sound, which led him to the edge of the village. There, perched on a branch of a tall oak tree, was a crow. But this crow was unlike any ordinary crow. Its feathers shimmered with all the colors of the rainbow, and its eyes sparkled with wisdom. "Hello there, little boy," the crow greeted Hiccup with a melodious voice. "I am known as the Whisperer. I have the ability to hear the secrets of the world, the whispers of truth. But lately, I have been feeling lost. I've forgotten what it means to truly listen." Hiccup was both surprised and curious. "How can you forget something so important?" he asked. The crow sighed and looked down. "Sometimes, we get so caught up in what we see that we forget to listen. We judge based on appearances, without considering what lies beneath." Hiccup pondered over the crow's words. He realized that the crow was not just talking about itself, but also about the people in the village. They often judged the crow based on its colorful appearance, thinking it was just a beautiful bird without any real value. Determined to help the crow, Hiccup proposed a plan. "Let's go on a journey together," he suggested. "We'll visit the magical mountain, where we'll find the echo stones. These stones have the power to reflect the truth. Maybe they can help you remember." The crow's eyes lit up with hope, and they set off on their journey to the magical mountain. The mountain was a place of wonders, with sparkling waterfalls, singing flowers, and trees that whispered secrets to the wind. After a long and adventurous journey, they reached the echo stones. Hiccup picked up a stone and whispered a question to it. The stone glowed and then showed an image, a boy, just like Hiccup, but with tears in his eyes. "This is me," Hiccup realized. "I often feel judged by others because I'm different. But they don't know the real me, just like they don't know the real you, Crow." The crow nodded in understanding. It had judged Hiccup based on his appearance too, thinking he was just another curious child. But now it realized that Hiccup was special, just like the crow itself. They continued whispering questions to the echo stones, learning more about themselves and each other. Slowly, the crow started to remember what it meant to truly listen. It understood that appearances could be deceiving, and that the real beauty lies in understanding and acceptance. With newfound wisdom, the crow flew back to the village with Hiccup. The villagers were amazed to see the crow, not just for its colorful feathers, but for the wisdom it possessed. They listened to its stories and learned to look beyond appearances. From that day on, the crow became a respected member of the village, and Hiccup cherished the friendship they had formed. They taught each other the importance of listening and understanding, and their bond grew stronger with each passing day. And so, Hiccup and the crow lived happily ever after, reminding everyone they met that what it seems is not always the truth. The end. As you drift off to sleep, remember the tale of Hiccup and the crow. Reflect on the importance of listening and understanding, and remember that true beauty lies within. Good night, sweet dreams, and may you always seek the whispers of truth.